Have you ever wondered if there could be another version of you in a different universe? Imagine a realm where the road not taken is the path you pursued, a reality where a different choice at a crucial moment spawned an entirely unique version of yourself. This concept, which has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and thinkers alike, is known as alternate realities. The possibility of multiple versions of oneself, each living out a different narrative in these realities. Quite the mind-boggler, isn't it? Well, today we're diving into the world of quantum jumping and alternate realities. First off, let's unravel the mystery of quantum jumping. Now, don't be put off by the jargon. Despite its complex name, quantum jumping is a simple mental exercise designed to help us tap into the wisdom of our alternate selves. Yes, you heard right, alternate selves. Imagine for a moment a vast universe of possibilities where each decision you make branches off into a new reality. Every choice, every action, and even every thought you have creates a split in the universe, leading to the creation of an alternate universe. Picture this as a gigantic tree where each branch signifies a different version of you, living out a different reality based on the choices you could have made. Now, quantum jumping is the mental leap that allows you to access these alternate universes. It's like tuning into a different frequency on a radio or changing the channel on a television. You remain in control, but you're able to experience and learn from these other realities. What's fascinating is that this isn't just a fantastical concept from a science fiction novel. Theoretical physicists have proposed models like bubble universes, membranes, and the many worlds theory of quantum mechanics, all of which suggest the existence of parallel universes. So, while it may seem like a stretch to our everyday reality, quantum jumping is grounded in some of the most cutting-edge scientific theories of our time. But remember, quantum jumping isn't about physically traveling to another universe. It's about mentally and emotionally connecting with our alternate selves. It's about gaining insights, wisdom, and perspectives from the multitude of lives we could be living. So, in essence, quantum jumping is the mental leap into an alternate universe. It's a journey of self-discovery and learning, allowing us to tap into the infinite possibilities of our existence. Now that we've got a grasp on quantum jumping, let's delve into the concept of alternate realities. When we think of our universe, we often picture it as a singular, all-encompassing entity. But what if I told you that our universe might not be the only one out there? This is where the concept of alternate realities or parallel universes comes into play. The idea of alternate realities has been a subject of fascination for centuries, intriguing philosophers and scientists alike. It's a concept that suggests the existence of multiple realities, each as real and as valid as our own. There are several theories that attempt to explain the phenomenon of alternate realities. Let's take a brief look at some of them. First up, we have the bubble universe theory. This theory proposes that our universe is just one of many bubbles floating in a larger cosmic arena. Each bubble universe could have its own unique laws of physics, giving rise to a multitude of different realities. Next, we have the concept of membranes, or brains for short. This theory, rooted in string theory, suggests that our universe exists on one of these brains, with other universes existing on separate brains. Then there's the many worlds theory of quantum mechanics. This theory suggests that every decision we make, every action we take, creates a split in our universe, resulting in the creation of a new parallel universe where a different choice was made. While these theories are speculative and remain unconfirmed, they challenge our understanding of reality and the universe we inhabit. They push the boundaries of our knowledge and inspire us to think beyond the confines of our own reality. Alternate realities, then, are not just the stuff of science fiction, but a fascinating field of scientific inquiry. You might be wondering, how do quantum jumping and alternate realities connect? Well, let's delve into this fascinating intersection. Quantum jumping, in essence, is the concept that we can jump into alternate realities. These are not just hypothetical spaces, but realities where we exist, where different versions of us have made different choices, leading to diverging paths and outcomes. Now, couple this with the idea of alternate realities, an array of universes where countless versions of you and me exist. So in a sense, quantum jumping is like a cosmic backstage pass, a way to navigate these alternate realities. It's like tuning into a different channel on a cosmic television, each channel representing a different reality. In each of these realities, an alternate you exists, living out a different version of your life. Imagine being able to tap into these alternate versions of yourself. Each version has its own set of experiences, its own wisdom. Quantum jumping suggests that we can learn from these alternate selves. They've walked paths we haven't, made choices we didn't, and faced outcomes we've yet to encounter. In a way, quantum jumping could be a form of ultimate introspection. By exploring these alternate realities, we get to see different facets of ourselves, different possibilities of who we could be. This could provide us with a wealth of knowledge and insights to improve our current reality. It's like having a conversation with yourself, but a yourself that took the road less traveled, or chose a different career, or made a different life-altering decision. The lessons we could learn from these alternate selves could be invaluable, allowing us to navigate our current reality with newfound wisdom and understanding. Indeed, the connection between quantum jumping and alternate realities is not just about scientific theories or abstract concepts. It's about the potential for self-improvement, learning, and growth. Therefore, quantum jumping could be a bridge to these other realities, a way to learn from our alternate selves. This all sounds fascinating, but what does it mean for us in practical terms? Let's dive into the implications of these concepts on our understanding of reality and self. The idea of quantum jumping and alternate realities is more than a thrilling thought experiment. It challenges some of our most fundamental beliefs about the nature of existence. Imagine for a moment that every decision, every random occurrence, spawns a new universe where the alternate outcome happens. This shakes up our notion of linear time. We're accustomed to thinking of time as a straight line, a constant march from past to future. But if alternate realities exist, time could be more like a sprawling tree with innumerable branches, each representing a different possibility. This also brings into question our understanding of personal identity. We tend to think of ourselves as singular, stable entities. Yet, if quantum jumping is possible, there could be countless versions of us living out different lives in different realities. Are they us? Are we them? The lines between self and other, between one life and another, become blurred. Moreover, these theories challenge our very understanding of reality. We're used to thinking of the world as solid, tangible, and predictable. But if alternate realities exist, our world is just one among an infinite number of equally real worlds. This opens up a realm of possibilities that are as exciting as they are daunting. What if we could glimpse into these alternate realities or even jump between them? What if we could experience different outcomes of our choices or live out different versions of our lives? The implications are vast, mind-boggling, and quite frankly, a little bit terrifying. But don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. The exploration of these concepts could lead to groundbreaking discoveries and a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it. It could reshape our worldview, expanding our horizons beyond what we've previously thought possible. Indeed, quantum jumping and alternate realities might just redefine our understanding of the universe and our place in it. We've taken quite a journey today, haven't we? A voyage through the fascinating world of quantum jumping and alternate realities. We've peeled back the layers of the universe, delving into the exciting yet complex realm of quantum mechanics. We started by unveiling the concept of quantum jumping, a theoretical leap from one state of existence to another. Imagine for a moment an endless sea of possibilities where each wave represents a different version of reality. This is the essence of quantum jumping. Then we ventured into the theory of alternate realities, exploring the idea that our universe may not be the only one. Instead, it might be just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, each bubble representing a different reality. Theories like bubble universes, membranes, and the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics provide a glimpse into these potential existences. We also pondered over the intriguing connection between quantum jumping and alternate realities. Could it be that by making a quantum jump, we could find ourselves in a completely different reality? While this remains speculative, it's a question that continues to challenge our understanding of the universe and reality. And lastly, we delved into the implications of these concepts. They compel us to question our perception of reality and the universe we inhabit, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. So, while the journey might be mind-boggling, it's also a fascinating exploration of the possible realities that exist beyond our own.